Welcome to Living with Lolo. This is the process that has earned us the distinction of top interior design firm in Phoenix. We are really good at understanding your vision and your goals for your space. First, we'll set up a 15-minute discovery call to talk about your goals and your vision and to answer all your questions. There's nothing that you need to prepare for this call. Just come be yourself. Once you have an idea of your vision, we'll do a virtual home consult to dive into every detail of your space. On this call, we'll talk through each space that you'd like designed and get all the inputs we need for the next steps. Plan for about an hour for this call. Then we'll share a detailed design concept, presenting your custom design and a list of items we recommend from vendors that we know will deliver exceptional products on time. After you approve the items you'd like, we'll order everything for you, handle all tracking, and receive everything to our warehouse. Having us receive everything in our warehouse ensures that you generally only have to deal with one delivery, which leads me to the next step. Our team of designers and expert crew will come to your home and install everything so that it looks picture perfect and it's ready for you to enjoy. We also offer seasonal refreshes or holiday decor ideas to refresh your space as you like throughout the year. We pride ourselves on taking care of all the details so that your experience is seamless and you get to enjoy only the most happy parts of the experience. We believe your home should both make you feel like your bravest, boldest self and also be a refuge that feels familiar and nurturing. We can't wait to design your space.